literature, I need you to pay attention. You know that literature is a technical subject for art students. So I'll be guiding you on exactly what you need to read. You don't need to read all the novels you see. You don't need to study everything in your textbook. There are specific novels, there are specific topics that you should pay attention on. By the way, your exam has three areas. You have paper one, paper two, and paper three. Paper one is basically OBJ, 50 questions on OBJ, you know, 20 general questions on literature, 20 questions on an unseen prose passage, 20 contest questions on the prescribed Shakespearean test. All these questions are to be answered in 1 hour. Then we have essay. There will be essay tests, which will have A and B, We'll get into that. A will be African, and there will be non-African too. Then there will be paper 3, which will be drama and poetry. Okay? So section A of that will be African drama. Section B will be non-African drama. Section C will be of paper 3 of African poetry. Section D will be non-African poetry. Okay? Now let's look at the recommended books. Why I'm giving you this, so that you know exactly what you are reading, so that you don't waste your time. By the way, if you want me to send these things to you privately, I can send it privately to you on WhatsApp. Just watch this video from now to the end, and I will tell you how I will send it to you. So let's go to drama. Drama. Under African drama, we have Wole Soyinka. The name of the book is The Lion and the Jewel, written by Wole Soyinka. Just find the book and read. Non-African, it will be a book by John Osborne, Look Back in Anger, the title of the book. You just need to know these things. Then prose. For your prose in literature, you have African prose will be Unexpected Joy at Dawn by Alex Agui. Then the second is Second Class Citizen by Buchi N.H.S. By the way, if you want me to send you these materials, what you need to do is 3 things. Like this video, boop the like button, just hit the like button. Subscribe to Noble Tutorials YouTube channel immediately. Then come under this video and tell me that you are subscribed. By then, you must have watched this video from beginning to the end. Okay, non-African prose is Wuthering Heights by Emily Bront. Let's go to your literature. Your poetry. African poetry is Black Woman by Leopold Sédar Senghor. Black Woman. Then The Leader and the Led, Niyi Osunde. Then The Grieved, Augustin Soneto. These are all books written by Africans. Then we have The Song of the Woman of the Land by Omar Farouk Sessi. Reader of the Treasure Trove, Lede Wosono. Then The Government Driver of His Retirement by Onu Chibuike. Non-African literature poetry is The Good Morrow by John Donne. Caged Bird by Maya Angelou. The Journey of the Magi by E. Eliot. Then you will now have H. Rollins Barthes. What I showed you now are the books, the literature texts that will come out. So as you prepare, read them up. Don't wait until the exam. The exam is already here. Read them up. Africa, Wole Soyinka, and all the rest. By the way, in all of them, if there's any way you need us to help you, just let me know. If you want to join our online study group on WhatsApp, where people like you are, a group for all of them, also let me know. If you want to buy our book, Succeeding Successfully on WAEC and NECO Exam, let me know. If you want me to send you this material privately on WhatsApp or your email address, let me know. Anywhere you need help, let me know. Like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, then come under this video and tell me that you have subscribed. Then we'll start talking and I will start guiding you.